Hi trail traders, Overland Dave here on Big Bar RC with a continuation of the quest. We're at the base of the High Sierras, so I've got to watch out for ringwraiths and orcs. So we go over the top and then climb to another level through the forest again and even higher. So let's go in the continuation of the quest to the Shire. We have to go up over this first level, and beyond that there's another high level with trees. So thumbs up, like and subscribe, and let's get climbing. Got extreme temperatures here. The wind chill factor is -8. See you soon. Stay tuned.